Ladies and gentlemen, Edward once again, and today I'm going to talk about quite a very small tool called Google Contacts. All you guys there who use Android or who use Google products, when you have a Gmail account, you have a lot of products. Some of them you people have not found out how many privileges you have, how much does Google give back to you. But like I told you, I promised you I'm going to be making a series of videos and I'll break them down product by product. Now today I'm going to show you Google Contacts and how it helps. So I remember back in the days we used to have, keep, this is our website, attainwork.com, Africa's best online job dashboard for freelancers. Okay. Back then we used to have mobile phones, and you could have your numbers on the phone stored on your SIM card or on the phone memory. But then when that phone happens to get lost or get spoiled or it gets an accident of any sort, you know what used to happen? You have to get a new phone, then get your paper where you wrote your numbers, whether they were 1000. I don't know for those who had 1000 what they were doing, but I was not having that big number. But even the little number that I had was too much for me to keep on papers. Right now what is currently trending, when you're having a Gmail contact synced with your phone, then it automatically updates your numbers online. It keeps your numbers online. Let's take a situation: you forgot your phone home and you happen to be looking for some important number which you have to have by all means, but you can't get back home. So you just use Google and then find that number, then do business with it. Alright, let us head to the way we access this product. I just opened the Word file here, how to organize your mobile contacts with Google Contacts. Actually, this is just a mere title, but you can do a lot. How to organize contacts, how to find duplicates, how to merge duplicates, how to find redundant numbers in your phone. Because if you have 1000, it will take you centuries to scroll through to know who is still with me and who has gone. Which numbers are on and which ones are not on. But with this Google Contacts, you just filter out, and then they'll give you a list of those ones that need to be deleted, those ones that are duplicated, and then you'll find yourself cleaning them instantly. So just a small recap on what is Google Contacts. We say Google Contacts is a way to store and organize contact information about the people you communicate with. Each contact can obtain basic information like name, email addresses, and phone numbers, but can also include extended information like physical address, employer, department, or job title. It is as big as that. But my main purpose is to make shorter videos so that I open your eyes. Then when you get to the internet, you'll dig deeper. Okay, because in the near future, these are going to be these will be the tools that will not do away with on a daily basis. Alright, let us go to this tool here. When I go to Google Chrome, okay, it is already opened here, but it has my contacts. Let me just try to sign in. No. Let us just use this one. I'm logged into my browser, so automatically it will take me to that page. When I say contacts.google.com, okay, so it will open this one. Now when you find this one, I will not scroll through my contacts, because it's for privacy issues. I don't want to show a lot of my people contacts. So if you can just check at this first tab here of contacts, I have 1235 contacts, mobile numbers, not even emails. I have that big number of contacts in my Gmail. So basically this is how it shows. Now if you want to find the frequently asked, you simply click there, it will filter them out. If you want to find duplicates, you just click on duplicates. I don't have any duplicates currently, so if you click there, it will pick out numbers which you saved 2 times or 3 times. So it tells you, can you merge? It will you merge from the screen here, and it gets automatically corrected in your mobile. So this is called Google Contacts. This is how simple it is. Few tools. Thank you very much for watching this video. I don't want to make it very long. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to share to your friends and family. Thank you very much. I remain Edward Sevume.